everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, we are going to be doing the length check video. So I know a lot of you do like the length check videos, so we're gonna do another one. I haven't done one in quite a few months, and if you've been following me, I did go to the salon on Mother's Day, to be exact, to get my hair trimmed, and I got about an inch or so cut off. So we're gonna see where I am at now, and I believe the last length check video I did, I was at 24 inches, so quite interested to see where I'm at now. I have not did any length checks before this video, so I am going to be finding out when you guys are finding out, so we'll see how long my hair is. So I do have it in this ponytail because I had my hair done about 3 weeks ago, so it's super way down and greasy, and when it gets to this point, the only thing I can really do is to put it in a bun or to put it in a ponytail, because it's just it just is very, very greasy and flat and weighed down, which I can't stand, but you know, we'll wash it next week and whatever. But here is my hair all down. And we got our measuring tape. Even like touching my hair is so greasy. Ew. So disgusting. I gotta wash it. Okay. So here's front portion. So here is the front portion. So we're gonna put it to my scalp and we're at about 21 inches, the front piece. So now let's try a piece from the very back. Okay, this is the very back. Okay, it looks like this is about 19 inches in the very back, just in general, like the full length of my hair. Like from the top all the way down to the bottom. We are going to take just from the very top and go all the way down to the full length. So about 23 inches. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side just to make sure it's the same length on both sides. And Here we go, about 23 inches on that side as well. So here it is, so 23 inches in total, which I did have some cuts, so it's an inch shorter than my last lunch check, which is, I was expecting it to be a little bit longer, but I did get a cut, and maybe she cut a little bit more than an inch, I don't know. But it's whatever. I think I'm gonna go for tailbone length. I think that's kind of gonna be my goal. I'm just gonna keep letting it grow and just get trims when I need trims. So we'll see, like by this time next year, how far I've come. So hopefully I'll get a good 6 more inches by next year, hopefully. And then that'll probably put me at tailbone length, which that would be pretty exciting. So if you guys want to see more videos, be sure to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And let me know what you think and what types of videos you would like to see here on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.